In this video today, I'm going to show you 3 ways to make Brussels sprouts delicious. I'm spelling it out because it is true. I will show you the way. Brussels sprouts, 3 ways. Hey! Hello, hi, hey, what is up? My name is Rose and I like to say hello in multiple ways. I don't know why. As part of my channel, I like to share recipes, and lately I have started to spread my wings and branch out into the very popular zero waste lifestyle. I have posted 1 video so far where I show you how to use up unwanted or forgotten about beauty products that you just don't want to throw away. So the link should be popping up right now. If you see it, click it. Today's video is back to what I know and love, which is cooking, back in the kitchen. So let's get to it. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate, yes, darling, I'm going to demonstrate how you can make Brussels sprouts delicious. Why do you want to make Brussels sprouts delicious? Well, if you stick around till the end, that's right, stick around, baby. Stick around and I will share the health benefits of eating Brussels sprouts, because these guys are packed full of goodness. You wouldn't believe. Honestly, I looked it up and I was like, wow, I'm so happy that I've been doing this all along. But now I have proof that this was the right thing to do. So stick around and I'll share those health benefits. But for now, let's see what we can do with the very ordinary Brussels sprouts. So we've cooked up our Brussels sprouts, we're eating it, we're enjoying it, it's divine, it's delicious, it's incredible. But why is it so important that we have Brussels sprouts in our lives? Well, apart from them tasting so good, yes, they do taste good. Apart from Brussels sprouts tasting so amazing, they actually have some incredible health benefits. From one article alone, which I'll link in the description because it turned out to be such a good read. Yes, a good read on Brussels sprouts, okay? The article highlighted a range of different health benefits. The ones I'm going to list here are ones that really stood out for me. The first thing on the list was vitamin K. Vitamin K. associated with helping with blood clotting. It's also been known to help with bone development and growth. In a small portion size, well, a 78-gram portion size of Brussels sprouts, you can get 137% of your vitamin K daily intake requirement. Hello? How awesome is that, right? The next thing is vitamin C. Now, this really surprised me because I've always associated vitamin C with your citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, limes, tart, or sour. Whoops. I've always associated vitamin C with those food groups. So to find out that Brussels sprouts is also part of that, pretty cool, right? Or if I just spent too much time with my Brussels sprouts. Vitamin C, we know, is great for the immune system. It's also been known to help with your skin and skin cell regeneration. But now I might have to read from my notebook because I want to make sure I get this right. This was just a little snippet I took from that article that I read. Vitamin C increases the absorption of non-heme, H-E-M-E, I think that's how you pronounce it, non-heme iron. Non-heme iron is a form of iron found in plant foods that your body can't absorb as easily as iron from animal sources. Now that's really cool for myself who's on a plant-based diet. As a girl on a plant-based diet, when I started, it was actually a real issue trying to get enough iron from my food. So learning that Brussels sprouts actually helps with the absorption of iron from the foods that I'm eating. Hello, how cool is that? So that was really cool. Now, 78 grams of Brussels sprouts has about 81% of your daily vitamin C intake. 81%, guys, that is incredible. Jeez, I'm gonna be eating Brussels sprouts every day if I can. Hopefully it doesn't disturb anyone. The next thing on the article, which I found really cool, was Brussels sprouts are a source of omega-3 fatty acids. We all know omega-3 fatty acids often come from seafood, food sources, that's weird, seafood, fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are really great for decreasing inflammation. There also been research that proves it reduces the brain function decline. And this article also mentioned omega-3 is great for reducing insulin resistance. Insulin resistance? How cool is that? Now, it's not as high as vitamin K and vitamin C, but again, a 78-gram portion size of Brussels sprouts has 21% of your omega-3 fatty acid daily requirement. So again, you know, every little counts. Don't be putting it down, 21%, it's still something. But just from this one article, it honestly just showed how incredible Brussels sprouts is. Brussels sprouts have had the worst reputation for so long. I just don't think it's right. No way. We need to bring these guys back into our lives. So I hope you enjoyed the recipes I shared. I hope you believe when I say Brussels sprouts are delicious. And you know what? If you give it a try, please let me know how you go. Leave a comment down below. Let me know, even if you have other ways to cook Brussels sprouts. Let's start this. Let's start this Brussels sprouts movement because Brussels sprouts rock! Awesome, guys. If you like this video, give it a like. If you liked me, give me a subscription, please. Nah, whatever. Well, actually, no, whatever. I put some work into this video, so thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.